Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can disconnect your car's headlight phosphor, this liquid, this working, and how we can stop this lights phosphor, this liquid what cleans this car's headlights, like in my case. And there is really, the idea is that we have to find this phosphor fluid tank, and there is two pumps what pumps this windshield phosphor in windshield, and then this headlights, and then this another one is this headlight lights phosphor pump, and we need to only disconnect this cable. We press that away, or then we cut these cables, and then we eliminate this liquid burn out in these headlights in here.